Our Masters in International Finance and Banking, taught at our Marylebone campus, is accredited by the Chartered Banker Institute and will equip you with the practical skills and global perspective to succeed in international finance. With a strong analytical focus, the course explores how financial institutions and markets operate, helping you understand and evaluate assets, currencies, stocks, and interest rates in a real-world context. Using our Bloomberg Financial Markets Suites, you will train on the same platform used by top investment banks, working with live and historical market data. You will also benefit from guest lectures by industry leaders, field trips to major financial institutions, and have the chance to take on an internship to build valuable experience. You will also benefit from access to Zone 29, the university's home of careers and enterprise. This degree will prepare you for a range of roles, including financial consultant, financial analyst, international financial manager, investment advisor, or venture capitalist. Previous graduates have gone on to work for leading organizations, including Citibank, Standard Chartered, Société Générale, and the World Economic Forum.